Today I'm going to show you in Yahoo Finance how to set up some basic indicators. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name is Levi Woods and this is an opinion channel about money. Today, one of my questions comes from a viewer who wants to know how to set up simple moving averages in Yahoo Finance. Now, I did this video before on Google Finance, but that feature is no longer available. So this is an updated version on what I'm using now. Let's look down at the screen. So if we go down to Yahoo, first thing we're going to do is click on Finance. Once we get here, we're going to be able to search for a ticker. So what we want to do is look at this chart. So the first thing I'm going to do is go full screen. What this is showing, this is a line chart. If we look at the settings, how this is set up default, we've got event that shows the dividends down at the bottom. And gray background stripes, literally just gray background stripes. And right now we're looking linear, which means we're looking at it in dollar value. So you can see like $8.86 was the last close. You can see that price up here, $8.86. And this is a dollar scale. What we're gonna focus on today is the indicators and comparison. With this chart, what I wanna know is when I wanna be able to buy. I can set up some moving averages that'll show me exactly when a stock is a good price to buy. So if I click on indicators, the feature I'm gonna add is moving average. I'm going to add 3 of these, a 200-day, a 50-day, and a 20-day. First one, the default setting is perfect. 50-day period, simple, and purple. Click Save. Now if we look at that price, that's showing you what the average price was over a 50-day period relative to the stock price on that current day in history. Back in July, the price was trading less than the 50-day average. Now we're going to add 2 more indicators. Again, moving average, 200, simple. I'm going to change the color this time. Let's make this red. Click Save. 200 days. This is a longer time frame, so there's less movement in the arc of that line. The next indicator we're going to add is exponential, but again, moving average. 20-day period. I'm going to make this green. And in type, we're going to make this exponential. What exponential means is that it's going to move a little bit tighter to the actual stock price. And there we go. So there's green. And you can see because it's only 20 days and because it's exponential, it really follows quite closely to what the actual value was. And that's it. That's all I do. And I have, because I log into Yahoo, this is my default setting. I have this 200-day, 50-day, and 20-day showing all the time. And if you want to make a change to it, say you want to change it for some reason to a different number of days, 10, or change the color, you can just go up and change it. They show right here. And if you scroll back through the chart, it actually shows you the price of what the 200-day, 50-day, and 10-day were in this case. And we're going to change this back. Now before we go, I'm just going to show you one more thing, and that's a comparison. So this is a stock, say we're looking at the 1 year, it was trading around $8.50 last year, and it's trading at $8.86. It's barely up any over the course of the year. Let's do a comparison to something else, say the SPY. I just did a video recently on SPY. If we click on comparison, you could literally compare it to any other stock. One of the index features here is S&P 500. So click on that, click Save. You'll notice that this automatically changes this from dollars to percentage because you can't really compare a stock dollar to dollar unless they're in the same range. It's much easier to compare one stock to another stock using percentages. If we look at this 1-year chart, which you can see indicated here, the moving averages are still for the KWH stock that we're looking at, but you can see that it's added in here. We've got this SPY addition, and then the simple moving averages and the exponential moving average for the KWH. We've added just this one blue line, and they start down here 1 year ago at 0. Over time, the SPY has gone up 22%. KWH has only gone up 3.63%. Now I know that KWH pays a huge dividend. It's like 8.5%. So you have to factor that in. The SPY only pays a 2% dividend. So SPY would have made a 24% return, and KWH would have made around 12, just over 12% return. Anyways, that's the tip for today: how to set up simple moving averages, exponential moving averages, and using comparison. Remember, it really helps my channel if you leave a like or a comment below. Thanks so much, everybody. Let's get rich together.